Hello students, in today's video we will learn that how to create equations in LaTeX. So basically this type of PDF, this type of document we will try to create. In this one few equations we will create. Some equations will be without number, some equations will be with number, and some combination of equations we will create. So basic is like, first of all we will use document class, which is article, and we will be using few packages as well, like use package AMS math. It is for advanced math formatting. Another package is like AMS fonts. It is for additional math fonts and symbols. Next package is use package AMS sim. It is for additional math symbols. For date, and after that this blank bracket is for not showing the date in the PDF document. Title I have given already, that is how to create an equation in LaTeX, and author, it is just I have kept it like notion of mathematics. Now whatever is the content that we will write between begin document and end document. First of all, I will be writing here make title, right? And let me run it. So we will see that which type of PDF will be generated here. This one will be generated here, title how to create an equation in LaTeX, and this one author name is like notion of mathematics. Now first of all, I will be creating equation, might be changed, but purpose will be solved here, that how to create the equation without number and with number, without numbering and with numbering. So I am creating here like a few ways here to write equation. Either we can create equation in this way, like this particular sign in bracket and this particular sign in bracket, close. Suppose I want to create x square plus y square is equal to 1. So let me see which type of equation will be created now. So if we will write it like a center aligned equation will be created, but no equation number will be provided. There is one more way to create this equation, that is slash begin equation star, this one equation star, and end equation star. If this asterisk or this asterisk sign is given, I mean to say, then equation numbering will not be produced. Now I want to create her equation. Suppose that is x cube plus y cube is equal to 1. Let me again run this particular template. So you see now this another equation is created, x cube plus y cube equal to 1, but numbering is not there. But if you want to create any equation along with the numbering, so for that purpose begin equation eq, if I am writing begin equation, I will be selecting it, and equation will be automatically there, and in between this I have to write the content. Suppose the equation is like sine square theta slash theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now one more equation will be created, but for that particular equation numbering will also be provided. So let me run it. So you can see one more equation is created here, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, along with this equation numbering, right? Now suppose I want to create multiple equations altogether. So first of all, I want to create multiple equations without numbering. So for that one, begin eqn equation array, this eqn array star, I will be taking this. So let me write here first equation x plus y is equal to 1, and this particular symbol will be there, and then next will be 2x plus 2y is equal to 2. Suppose these two equations I want to create without numbering. So let me run it now. So two equations will be created in the PDF document like this, x plus y equal to 1 and 2x plus 2y equal to 2, but no numbering is provided there. Okay, before this there is no numbering. But suppose I want to create multiple equations all together along with numbering. For that purpose I will be using begin eqn array, equation array we can say, without asterisk, right? So now first equation is, suppose I am saying, if I am saying x1 plus x2 is equal to 1, and second equation is 3x1 plus 3x2 3x2 is equal to 3. Now in this one again two equations will be created, but equation numbering will be there. Let me run it now again. If I am running it, so you can see again two equations are simultaneously created, x1 plus x2 equal to 1 along with equation numbering, and one more equation is created, that is 3x1 plus 3x2 equal to 3 along with again equation numbering. And this equation numbering LaTeX will already manage, like after equation 1 there will be automatically equation 2 and equation 3 along with the numbering I want to say. Okay, so this is very basic template to create different type of equations in LaTeX. If one more time I will run it, okay, finally you can see this type of particular PDF is generated. This type of PDF is generated. Okay, so I think that this will be quite useful. This type of PDF is generated now. So I think this will be quite useful for all of you to understand the creation of equations in LaTeX. I hope this will be very useful. Thank you so much for watching this video.